and welcome to Discover Oils Every Day. My name is Susan Clark, and I'm one of two people, along with Bridget Adams, that you'll see on a regular basis here. Thank you so much for coming. Today we're going to learn how to make handy wipes. So similar to some of them you'll see in the little containers that you can wipe your surfaces and that off. Instead of using the chemical laden products that they have, we're going to make it with these household cleaner and paper towels. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's really easy. I keep it right on my kitchen counter, and I also keep them in the bathroom, on the bathroom there, so that whenever you need to wipe the counters off, you need to wipe the floor a little bit, anything like that at all, I use this on all kinds of surfaces. So let's get started. So don't forget, if you find this information useful, please like, please subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them. We do get back with them. We try to stay pretty regular with keeping up with things. And the good thing about this is that when you get your premium starter kit, it actually comes with a packet of these, and it would take probably about a quarter of a teaspoon to a half a teaspoon, and that still leaves you with a ton of thieves cleaning solution. It's an all-purpose, so like I said, I use this on everything. So when you get your kit, this is something that you're going to definitely want to try. So I have pre-cut, so I use a serrated knife. I have pre-cut some paper towels. I cut it in half. We're going to put one half to the side, save it for later, because when you either run out of this one or when you make your one for the bathroom, and that's usually what I do, they seem to run out about the same time. So we've done that already. Then I take the cardboard insert in the paper towels, I pop it out, and it's all out and ready to go. I picked up a jar. You can get them at any of the big box stores. I think I paid like $4 for this. You can probably get them cheaper. This one just works really well for me. They're inexpensive, kind of pretty. But what I do is that I shove my paper towels, and it takes a little bit of effort. You have to really work it down in there. I try not to get the cheap paper towels. I try to get some that are a decent brand. I also try to get the thinner, that's not like the big jumbo rolls, because I have found the jumbo rolls are super hard. As you can see, I'm putting a little bit of push behind there, getting it in there. And there you go. And we're in. At this point, I try to go ahead and find my center, because that's the one I want sitting up. So you can see I have found my center, so that when we get ready to pull these up, I pull them from the center and they go out. That way when they pull up, you just simply rip it off and you're ready to go. Now, my thieves is in a bigger bottle, and you'll find this is a small bottle it comes in. I have had this bottle of thieves for probably about 8 months. It seems pricey when you get it. I think it's like $22 a bottle, but I use it literally for everything. I mop my floors, I scrub my toilets, I scrub the bathtub. I use this in everything, and it's literally a cap full at a time. So I put about a half a cap in my little mixture here. Now, I mix it up in my spray bottle first. That way you don't have to worry about it, how much gets mixed up in here. So I've got my mixture made. I'm going to take my sprayer out here. I'm just going to lay that to the side, and I'm literally going to dump it in. Now, it's going to take a few minutes for it to all absorb in, so be patient with it. If you need it, if it hasn't gotten as wet all the way through as you need it to be, simply top it off with a little bit of water, or you can make up some more mixture in your spray bottle. It's not a problem. Pour that in there. Put the top back on. And now I'll need to make a little more spray. So I use the spray on everything. I clean the mirrors, I clean my car. Now I've got the top out here and I'm ready to go. You'll notice it got wet pretty fast. And what I do, because it tends to be a little wet, squeeze it back in. That way you get to squeeze and keep all your goodness in there, all your cleaning stuff. And this is a handy wipe that is ready to go. And because the paper towel is a pretty good quality paper towel, I can clean counters, I can clean the kitchen cabinets, I can clean the table, anything that the kids, I have grandchildren that come, Lord have mercy, the grandchildren have sticky fingers everywhere. So we're forever picking up sticky fingerprints. Now the good thing is that I know there is absolutely nothing toxic and nothing that's going to harm my grandchildren, my dogs. I have dogs. So, you know, around the food bowl and around the water bowl, I will wipe up the floor in that. I don't have to worry about what kind of chemicals are being soaked up into their body by the cleaning ingredients that I'm using. So this is definitely a go-to for me. So I simply put the lid on. Make sure you put the lid on. It will dry out if you don't. And screw it on, and you're ready to go. Like I said, it is fantastic wipes. Instead of using the handy wipes that come in the little tubes, the little containers, and it's safe. Great idea, right? What's your great idea? What kind of things do you do to make life chemical free and handy around your house? Let us know. Like and subscribe and comment so that we know what you use as well. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.